Hi guys, my name is Joseph, and this is my project one for MIS 515, data cleaning and visualization. So for this project, I chose a dataset titled Celebrity Google Trends, and it contains Google search interest scores for hundreds of celebrities from 2004 all the way to 2021. And this dataset has 215 rows and 450 columns, where each column represents one celebrity and their weekly search interest score, with 100 being the highest possible. So I picked this dataset because it reflects how public attention shifts over time, especially during big events in pop culture, sports, and also media. So the first thing that I did was I loaded the data set. And to load the data set, I first imported essential libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and OS. I created a list of possible file paths for the CSV so the code would work whether I ran it in Google Colab or locally. The program checks each path and loads the data set from the first one it finds. And if for some reason the data set isn't found, it raises an error asking the user to upload the file. And once the data was loaded, I read it into a pandas data frame. And so next, I performed an initial data check. I used .info to get a summary of the data structure and .head to preview the first few rows. You can also see that I checked the data sets shape, column names, data types, and total number of missing values. And finally, I ran describe to get summary statistics for the numeric columns and understand the overall spread of values. And for the data cleaning, I first made sure that the date column was in the correct date time format for time series analysis. I checked for duplicate rows, and although there were none, the code removes them just in case. Then I replaced all zero values with NaNs, assuming they might represent missing data. And after that, I isolated all the numeric columns using select underscore D types so I could focus my cleaning and analysis on just the celebrity data. And to fill missing values, I use mean imputation, meaning I replace NaNs with the mean value of each column. And after the cleaning, I confirmed there are no missing values left. Then I saved the cleaned data set to a new CSV file for later use. And here's the analysis. So once the data was clean, I calculated two important statistical measures. First was skewness. This shows how lopsided or asymmetrical the popularity scores were, and kurtosis, which tells us how peaked or flat the data distributions were. I also created a correlation matrix to check if any celebrities had similar search patterns, which could suggest shared media moments, collaborations, or events happening around the same time. And in terms of the visualizations, so let's talk about it. So first, I did a line chart, and this line chart shows how search interest changed over time for the top five celebrities based on average popularity. It's very useful for identifying long-term trends and major peaks. So let me go to that line chart. So here's the line chart right here. You can check it out. And so the next one I did was a search interest heat map. And so this heat map visualizes how the popularity of those top five celebrities fluctuated week by week. It's also great for spotting periods of high or low attention. So you can see right here based on the color. And the third one I did was an average search interest of top five celebrities. So this one is a bar chart, a bar plot, and I used a bar plot to show the average search interest, of course, for the top five celebrities. It's a simple way to sort of compare who was searched the most overall, with pink being at the top right here. And here's the box plot I did. It shows the distribution and also the outliers in search interest for each top celebrity. It reveals who had steady attention versus who had big spikes. And so to wrap it up, to finish, I displayed summary statistics of the final clean data set. And one more time over here, you can see that I saved it to a second CSV titled Final Clean Celebrity Google Trends.csv. And overall, to conclude this project, I feel like it's helped me practice working with real world data from loading to cleaning it and analyzing and visualizing it. And I feel that it's strengthened my skills in Python, especially around data cleaning, time series analysis, and visualization. It also was very interesting to explore public interest trends through the lens of celebrity culture. And I just want to say thank you for watching my walkthrough. Thank you.